There are over 40,000 different kinds of spiders in the world. Some are huge and some are tiny. Some build webs and others don't. But all spiders play an important role in our ecosystem, even if we don't always appreciate it. Here are just a few reasons why spiders are essential to our survival. Spiders eat tons of insects that would otherwise be a nuisance to humans. Flies, mosquitoes, and other creepy crawlies are a part of almost everyone's least favorite part of summertime, and spiders are happy to get rid of them for us. In fact, spiders eat more than 12 pounds of insects every year. It's equivalent to almost 800,000 tons of insects worldwide. If we had to deal with all those pesky flies and mosquitoes, things could get bad pretty quickly. Not only are they annoying, but they can also spread dangerous diseases. Malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus are just a few of the illnesses spread by mosquitoes alone. Having spiders around means fewer opportunities for these diseases to spread. And while some people might find their webs a little bit gross, the benefit to our health that they provide is definitely worth it. Even though spiders do a lot to help us, we humans aren't exactly known for our appreciation of their help. Many of us are afraid of spiders and will kill them out of fear or just because we don't like the way they look. But killing spiders can have unintended consequences. When there aren't enough spiders to go around, there will be more insects looking for a meal. And guess what? We humans are on the menu. Even if you don't live in a particularly rural area, you're probably sharing your home with more spiders than you think. They can be found almost everywhere from the top of mountains to the bottom of the sea. You've probably seen the common house spider at home, or maybe even had the good fortune to spot a daddy long legs in the corner of your eye. But did you know that there are also spiders that make their homes in trees, deserts, jungles, and even caves? One of the smallest spiders in the world, Pachudigua, lives in the deserts of North Africa. It can only be found in one place in the world, making it an example of a specialist spider. Meanwhile, the giant crab spider can be found on every continent on Earth, except Antarctica. It also has to have its meals, after all. Spiders are a critical part of the food chain for many animals, including birds, reptiles, other arachnids, and even amphibians. In other words, spiders are a great source of protein for a lot of animals. In fact, more than 1,000 species of birds around the world eat nothing but insects and spiders. Without spiders, many of these birds would be out of luck when it comes to finding food. Some of these birds are even endangered. The California condor, for example, eats only about 3 pounds of insects and spiders every year. That's almost 90% of its diet. So if there weren't enough spiders to go around, these birds wouldn't have enough to eat. Speaking of going around, spiders help plants reproduce. That's right. There are lots of plants that rely on spiders to help pollinate them. While bees and other insects are more commonly known as pollinators, spiders play an important role in this process too. As they move from flower to flower, collecting pollen in the process, spiders help plants reproduce. This is especially true for plants that live in dry or hot environments, because not many insects are dumb enough to hang around in those conditions. Without spiders to take up the slack, many plants would struggle to reproduce. So the next time you see a spider, remember that it's not there to harm you. In fact, it's there to help. From eating pesky insects to pollinating plants, spiders are essential to our ecosystem. And while we may not always appreciate their help, we're lucky to have them. All the spiders mentioned in this video belong to a group called the Araneae. Do you know how scientists classify living things? Join me as we explore the Linnaean system of classification and learn how scientists organize living things based on shared characteristics. Click the link below to watch. And thanks for watching.